I don't know. I mean, I don't really. I look loaded. I warned Pete, yeah. You know, I was having someone over. He's very open-minded, like, you don't care. He looked exactly like his pics, yeah. So, but... so I mean, it just made me feel old, really. And maybe I'm just not at that level anymore. He is yeah. I kind of preferred the sex with Tony. And now I'll never get to because no, it's not that. It was good and everything. He was very nice and everything. I just I guess just made me feel fat, old, and out of shape. So I just think, you know, it'll just be good for like a little tryst here and there if I feel up to it. Because he is a hunk. Like, he's a hunk. Very young, so obviously. But I don't have that energy anymore. Like, dang, shit. I had to, you know, just like basically. I didn't have any snacks. We just had drink and experience. Not as bad as I would. No, this guy has the body and conversation level of like a grown, like my age. Like, he's very not young in the head at all. And I don't know if that's just where he was raised. He's more just cultured, more, you know, that's what I think I like about men from other culture. You always ask me why not white men? Why not? Well, I don't know. I find, like with Tony, when I met Tony, it's like being introduced. There's so much to talk about. It's a whole other culture. He was showing me YouTube videos about Morocco, the cuisine, the music, the dancing, the lovemaking style, everything. There's something in every culture to discover and appreciate, you know? So I just thought, no, this guy doesn't speak any English. So yeah, 22 is not a kid, but whenever you're close to 40, you know, it feels it. It does. No, actually, I did not see it. I do not subscribe to them, so. He accepted the fupa. Yeah. Oh, Alyssa is a kid. Yes, I can tell. Has anyone ever weirded out by the fupa? Honestly, if they are, they don't say it. Maybe, well, Natter used to make jokes about it all the time, but like, we would laugh about it. Didn't hurt my feelings, so. Because then he would also say, oh, I love this fupa, so, you know.